I can add the current date and time to a header or footer in a few different ways, all of them easy. Using the date and time command is one quick way. I find this command in two places, on the Insert tab in the Text group, and when the header and footer space is open, in the Insert group on the Design tab. I want the date in the top right of this header, so first I'll put the cursor there. To do that, I'll click the Insert Alignment tab and click Right. That repositions the cursor. Then I click Date and Time and select a date format. I'll choose one that includes the time. I select Update Automatically so that the information will always be current when I open this document. To ensure that I have up-to-the-minute information here before I print, I click to select the field and click Update. The keyboard shortcut for updating the field is F9. And here's another tip. To make sure that Word always updates this field before I print, I click the File tab, Options, Display, and under Printing Options, I select Update Fields before printing. To change this date format, I would right-click the field and click Edit Field. In the Field dialog box, I'll select a different format. If I want to use a style from the header gallery, there are a couple of ways I could insert the date. I can choose a style that has blank fields, for example, this blank 3-column style. It has 3 text fields, but they don't have to be used for text. I'll select this one, and then I'll click the Date and Time command and select a format. I make sure Update Automatically is selected too. So this is now a date field. I'd complete these other fields with the content that I want. Another approach is to open the header gallery and find a style that includes a date field. This header, called Conservative, is an example. I'll click to apply it. Once the field is in place, I click it, click the arrow, and select a date from the calendar. If I want a different format for it, I make sure the control is selected, then I click the Date and Time command and change the format. I can also insert the date using Quick Parts. This requires a couple of extra mouse clicks. I've positioned the cursor and I'll click Quick Parts, Field. Then I select the date field in the field names list. I choose a format, click OK, and I'm done. Up next, add the document file name and path.